Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to check your Amazon digital credit. First, open your web browser. Go to the official Amazon website by typing amazon.com in the address bar. Once the homepage opens, sign in to your account. Click on the Sign In button at the top right corner of the screen. After you are logged in, move your mouse to the top right corner of the page. Hover over the option that says Account and Lists. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your account dashboard. On the account page, scroll down slowly until you find the section called Shopping Programs and Rentals. In this section, look for the option that says No Rush Reward Summary. Click on No Rush Reward Summary. You will now see a page that shows your available digital credit balance. Here you can check how much credit you have and also see details such as expiration dates. If you prefer a faster way, you can go directly to this page. Simply type amazon.com/no-rush-credits into your browser's address bar and press enter. This will take you straight to your digital credit summary page after you sign in. Thanks for watching.